Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.